Leaking valves can lead to leaking profits. Find out if your company needs help developing an LDAR program. LDAR stands for Leak Detection and Repair. An LDAR program is a system of procedures, inspections, and record keeping a facility utilizes to locate leaking components of equipment that has the potential to release VOCs, volatile organic compounds, or VHAPs, volatile hazardous air pollutants. If your company has equipment with the potential to release VOCs or VHAPs, you may be required to develop an LDAR program. It can be a crucial step in reducing your volatile emissions and a step towards a clean and compliant future. Even if you've never been found in non-compliance, your company could be losing thousands of dollars every month due to product loss and unrealized leaks. EPA has estimated that the product lost to leaks averages a cost of $1,370 per ton. Combine this with the potential for fees and fines from regulatory violations, and you could be looking at a hefty bill. LDAR programs help to reduce worker exposures to dangerous VOCs and VHAPs. They also decrease the potential for release into surrounding communities and ecosystems. Weiss Associates can be your helping hand through this process. We have experience managing LDAR programs for some of the largest companies in the Phoenix area and have the expertise to make creating, implementing, and executing your LDAR program as simple as possible. Reach out today on LinkedIn or head to nweissassociates.com for more information.